Tell me, has it ever occurred to you folks why hi-fi addicts always sit on the floor barefoot? Have you ever priced a set? $30 for a needle. $30 for... If I paid that much for a needle, I couldn't afford a show.
Okay, cut!
Not so long ago, in the French-Canadian province of Quebec.
All right, let's go to script. I hate to go over this again, but I don't think you got the exact expression we need. Okay, that looks good. Where's the kid? George, you know where the little brat is? There you are.
Oh, okay, well, let's try one. Take your place. Camera one. Watch out.
Got it? Okay, roll the camera.
Yeah.
There's still... Cut! Got it? Okay. Roll the camera.